Hello guys! Saturday morning and let's see ang madaming errand. Alam mo naman, pag sa probinsya, paglabas ng city, lahat ng kailangan gawin, gagawin na. See you! Isang oras. Kaya salamat Princess. Heart. Ganda pang mag-drive. Wala akong traffic. Burj Khalifa. Yes, we are in Karama. Stoplight. You don't like stoplight? Stoplight. Nantok pa, friend.
Aga kaya ng gising, friend. Ingay-ingay.
Yaw, shout out si Ellen. First stop is in Karama. That's my friend. Old stop. This is Karama. Long time ago, we live here at the back side of this building. Day to day. Yeah, there there is a small day today now. It's what's this store? Anong tinda niya? Sari-sari. He has watches, repair shoes and everything. Oh, that yung building na yun, may pula. Na-renovate na yun. Dati yung tsura na yun. Ganito na. Hindi ganyan stuff. Anyways, that was long time ago. And meron silang most doon. Like Pharma, Pharmacy. This is also one of the busiest street. Surprisingly, maaga pa. Hindi pa masyadong traffic. Pero nung nakatira kami dito, anytime, everyday traffic. Oh, wala na rin yung kainan doon. Ay, Magic Pork! Ayun yung sinasabi ko na itong Magic Pork.
And this is the Alatar.
Alatar!
Yung dating shopping center.
Yeah, ito lang dati alam namin. Nakikitawaran kami dati, silver. Now, nag-improve ng konti. Tingin-tingin na ng gold. Tingin-tingin lang naman. Hindi naman sinabing bibili pag tumingin. Di ba, friend? Ay, oh, go, go, go. Para lahat ng stop pa. Stop.
Friend, alas my side.
Malapit na tayo sa stop pero
Dito kasi
naka-stop na tayo. Yun,
Friend,
day to day.
Your favorite shop.
Favorite shopping store. Dati wala pa yan. Ano yan? 4 floors.
Hindi ka papacheck attendance, friend.
Household. Daan tayo after our first stop. Uy, metro. Uy, nagsabay sila, nagkasalubong.
Alam, friend, sinara yung ano.
Alin? Yung daan? Papasok? Baka mayroong maliit doon, friend. Yeah, our first stop is let's take care of our health. Dito muna tayo, pa-check up muna tayo. Okay, see you later. Yeah. Next stop. Pero sa Sam, marami na siyang stop. Ano na shopping mo, friend? Shopping.
In 100 meters, use the right lane to stay to the right. Then continue straight in the direction of
Shopping,
B88
shopping.
south.
Wala ang shopping.
Right.
Traffic na.
Then continue straight in the direction of B88 south.
Hindi ka nag-shopping, friend. Bakit?
Tipid, friend.
Wala masyadong sale sa car.
Dami nga sale. Mga shop na sale.
Oh. Walang ano. Wala yung 17.
70.
iPhone.
Walang kulay, ano.
Yung wala yun yung bibili.
Orange.
Puro orange.
Kasi.
Kasi pag orange,
Hindi sa Dubai Hills meron.
alam mo na iPhone 17.
Punta sa gold.
Samsung di ka tumingin, friend.
Hindi. Ibang shop lang sa amin. May sarili silang shop.
Continue straight in the
May
direction of
20%
B88
sa
south.
Fazan.
Sa Samsung. Okay. Fazan. This is the Dubai frame. Dubai frame. When you
In
are on
500
you will see the
Use
New
the left
Dubai
two
and
lanes to
Old
continue
Dubai.
straight onto D75, Sheikh Rashid Street.
Wow, why traffic?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's already traffic. Dubai frame.
Blue Wine Street.
Tulong mo.
This is toll gate. No barricade, just pass and you will be
Turn
charged.
right onto Al Zarawi Street. Then keep right to Al Zarawi Street. Speed bumps ahead.
Kapiranggot lang. Sumabit pa.
Turn right. Then keep right to Al Zarawi Street.
Al-Zawari Street. Al-Zarawi.
Right. Pinapalip mo. Tapos diretso.
We are in Al Jadab.
Keep right to Al Zarawi Street.
Al-Zarawi Street.
In 1.5 kilometers, make a U-turn to Al Waisal Club Street.
Vicious. Ah,
Al-Waisal Street.
In 500 meters, make a U-turn.
lovely.
Make a U-turn to Al Waisal Club Street.
Ginagawa nila yung tulay. Tulay. Construction. Contractor. Build project ng Dubai. Maraming build project. So hindi namin kayang bumili ng nakamusta ka ni Doc Pat tsaka si Mama, miss na daw niya Chapche. Shout out Doc Pat. Shout out Mamila.
Keep right. In 400 meters, turn right, then turn left.
This is Kimura. Dito ba? Dito ako. Ang tao ko. Kimura, Dubai. And our asan na? This is the shop. Safa perfume. Safia, sorry. I cited corrected. Oh, Karama. Long time ago.
Friend, pangalawang balik na.
Oo. Binalikan natin ang pabangaw. Ay.
Hindi pwede dito, friend.
Ano hindi pwede?
Kumarba.
Kaya mo. Zedjem. Parata Corner. Dati may day-to-day dito. Ngayon close out na. Ay, stop pala. Is Old Meta.
Udmeta.
Old Meta nga. Ano ba sinabi ko?
Old Meta.
Old Meta. It's Old Meta. Makiki-birthday party. Ay, hindi pala daw party.
Dinner.
Makiki-dinner. Birthday dinner. Yeah. This is Old Meta. Malapit sa St. Mary's Church. Woo! Diba? Gabi na. Dilim na. Ang hapon.
May nagbabantay yata. Swimming pool doon sa taas.
Deserve mo yan. Going home, going home. Going home. Yes. May bit-bit si my friend, ang aming last stop. Ano kaya yung bit-bit ni my friend? Oh. Oh, no. Ang init sa parking. Ayan, finally. Tapos na yung gala ng Sabado. We're going home. About 15 minutes, friend. Nasa bahay na tayo. 15 minutes. Medyo malayo-layo yung biyahe namin. Yeah. Pero success naman, friend. Nagawa natin ang dapat gawin. So, my friend, yung main goal namin, nabit-bit naman niya. Ay, tapos na ang isang day off. So, malinis ang kalsada, wala masyadong sasakyan. We are here at Dubai South. Sa bahay na kami. Finally. Tapos ang maghapon. Hopefully, maayos yung mga result ng test. Ano po? Thank you for watching. Good night. Good night. Thank you, friend. Ayan.